Hey there, EPG bandos and other elective students that might be watching this. It's Mr. J talking about the junior high electives as we go into our remote stint for 7th graders. We found out today during school, today is November 12th, that starting tomorrow, November 13th, the 7th grade class will be remote learning for a little. All right, here we go. So this document has been shared at least on my Google Classroom, as well as I think on several others. It's just a compilation of the electives and what our plan is. It includes links for things like Google Classroom, the junior high band remind, the band website, the art website, our email addresses and things like that. What's important to know is our philosophy is that we are committed to making sure you are well, physically, mentally, and emotionally, by providing you with positive, creative outlets during this crazy, stressful time. I saw many of you leaving school today very down and very depressed. We're going to get through this. It's going to be tough, and I really look forward to providing you guys with positive, creative options. Playing instruments, singing, making art, these are all scientifically proven to be beneficial and healing to your brain function. In other words, these things will make you feel better when you are anxious, nervous, scared, unsettled, depressed, sad, lonely, angry, frustrated, things like that. We want our electives to be a healthy relief for all of you, which is why we are focusing on providing playing and singing, PE, and art and technology opportunities. Contact us with questions and cares and etc. Grades. Will there be grades? You betcha. Electives will be graded this time. I will be dropping off instruments right after I finish making this video, so there's that. The learning plan that we have outlined in this document relates to if the entire junior high was remote, so let's cover things real fast for right now. I am working on making a video conferencing schedule that includes when you will need to video conference with which class. These are, I believe, optional, but I would strongly encourage going to them. Teachers will be sending out links, if they have not already. Tomorrow, Friday, the 13th, oh boy, 9:30 to 10 o'clock is language arts, 10 o'clock to 10:30 is lit, 10:30 to 11 is science, 1 o'clock is computers, 1:30 is chorus for 7th graders, 2:05 is art, and then PE is to be determined. You see that I have worked out this schedule for the rest of the time. Monday will be social studies, then math, computers, band, art, and PE to be determined for PE. And you see the times here. I will be sharing this document with all of you once I get it approved, and then we should be good to go from there. Do notice that on the 25th, 26th, and 27th we have no school. I've gone ahead and just filled this document out. I don't actually know when we're done remote learning, but I filled it out through Thanksgiving break just to be on the safe side. Okay, so there's that. How do you Zoom with me? If you go out to Classroom, go out to Junior High Band, which you should have. Looks like Ava Cordell has posted a shark. Good job. If you go to Classwork, there is a link right here for Zoom meetings. And I'm using Zoom so that I can share my computer audio with you. This is what we'll be using for the foreseeable future. We'll be using Zoom. So you click on this, you'll wait in my waiting room. It'll open up the Zoom meeting for you, and then I'll let you in when it is time. And that's all there is to it. That is how the band grade is determined. You get your grade by attending my Zoom meetings. And during these Zoom meetings, we'll just be playing. It's not like me taking a test. It's not me taking an assignment. We're just going to sit down and play together. So if you go out to the 7th grade homework document, you see that on band days, I have posted whether we have band or no band. And then there is a link here as well where you can sign up for the remote lessons. I think I will maybe post a link. I think I will post a link to the Google Classroom Zoom meeting on here so that you guys can go here and just have it all in one spot as well. So all you have to do is check out this document, this 7th grade homework document, and you'll have everything that you need. So I think that's everything that I need to cover. That is a lot of information. Please let me know if you have questions or concerns or anything. Email me, call me at my school phone number, send up smoke signals, whatever you got to do. Let me know. Let me know how I can help you, okay? We're going to make it through this. I'm going to be right here with you. It's going to be hard, but we'll just keep plugging away at it, kids. Thanks.